Probably you have heard of trading breakout is profitable, but to me, false breakout is much more profitable than trading breakout. Why? Because the market gives more often false breakout than the breakout. Sound skeptical? Stick till the end of this session. I'm gonna show you now with real live trade example that we have made $13,500 in gold just in a matter of 1 hour in live. I'm gonna show you step by step how I identified that false breakout so that you can spot same kind of false breakout when happening in the market. Now before I begin this important video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Without further delay, let's get started. Okay, so let's begin. Now, as I mentioned, guys, this is going to be a very important and rare video. So make sure that you take notes and stick till the end to see everything. Now, what you see in this screen, this is a massive gold trade, 3-to-1 reward to risk. Now, this trade you can see on the screen was live trade, and let's see what it takes to me to take this massive trade so that you can understand it and you can learn from it. Now, first, let's replay the chart to see where I have started my trading decision on this one. Now, this is 5-minute chart. If you look at this overall picture, what did I look at in the market is the trend. As I mentioned earlier, there are 3 secrets that I use in my trading: market structure, liquidity, and price action. Now, the market structure in this market is downtrend. Now you can see this is a series of lower high and lower low, which is a downtrending market structure. Now, in a downtrending market structure, why did I decide to go long? This is the most asked question that I'm getting. Let's get to that point. Now, as I mentioned earlier, that in the market there are more false breakout than the breakout. Then how do we identify that false breakout? Let's look at higher time frame. Now keep in mind, when trading in one time frame, not looking at higher time frame will never give you a clear idea of the market. So while I'm trading on 5 minutes, I always keep eye on the daily. Now look at the daily chart on gold. Now you can see this is the current daily candle, that this daily candle already closed Swiss sees above, but when we are opening this trade, the price was here, okay, in that zone. Now when you see a market like that, if you look at the past, what you saw, that this is a, in that area there is a huge buyer and there was a huge consolidation. The price has come to a zone where we saw that it has broken this recent level of support. Now from this support, we saw that from the daily there was a strong rejection. In the same way, the price has broken down and then immediately has gone up. Now we saw the same kind of rejection here and here, and also every time the price is coming to that support, the price is getting rejected. Now once this kind of support is broken, the price has come to that zone, overextended to the downside, leaving an imbalance on the previous day's long week candle. Highly likely that this market will reverse. This is going to be a false breakout. Now that's not enough. We need lower time frame confirmation. That is come to looking at the lower time frame, where I was looking at the price action on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, now in that time frame, what did I see? Now if you look at this candlestick here, what do you saw? That there was, the price was dropping and then one green candle to the upside, a bullish candle, a breakout opposite direction of the trend, and then immediately 2 red candles has broken down. Now with that 2 red candles, the price is below this support level. Okay, now when this two red candle forms, a lot of retail trader started to short this market again, because thinking that the price has gone up for a pullback, gathered liquidity, now it is merging with the higher time frame trend. Now, as I mentioned, that to be a profitable trader, you need to be smarter than the smartest. As a patient and a smart trader, what we need is to be patient. Now, once we are patient, what do you saw? That this massive bullish candle has formed. This is the 5 minutes candle. Now there is a significant in this bullish candle is, firstly, you can see that previously there was a bullish candle. It completely engulfed this whole area. There is a massive volume came in that candle, and we saw that lower time frame there is this kind of pattern. On the higher time frame, we see that there is a probability for a reversal. When we fuse both of this information, we get a high probability trade setup. This is where we have entered the trade, and as you can see, afterwards the price didn't look back. The price has aggressively gone up to give us 3 times profit in that single trade, which is 13,500 in my account. Now the same trade you can see on the screen was sent out to those who are trading with us. They also have traded the same trade. Now let's look at another example so that you guys understand how to identify a false breakout in the market. Okay, so I'm replaying the chart again on gold on the daily time frame. Now as you can see, this is also the same kind of pattern. From daily perspective, gold has created this massive move, and then the price is consolidating in that area. This is also a bullish structure. Now you can see, when you see this kind of bullish structure, what you can expect, the price to break down, grab liquidity, and then to retrend to the upside. So from bigger picture, we know that there is a probability for this market to do a false breakout. Now if we look at the lower time frame, now this come to the lower time frame, looking at, as I mentioned, that when you see higher time frame and lower time frame together, then only you know the actual picture in the market. Now this is where we see the market in that situation. Let's replay the chart to see when we can expect the reversal or false breakout, so that we can ride this big move in that direction. Okay, now let's see what's happening. Now as you can see, from the daily perspective, we know that this market is about to trend to the upside, as this is a bull market, and we have seen a breakdown opposite direction of the trend. Now after that, what do you saw in that area? With that breakdown, you can see there is a massive drop, and the price is now creating series of higher high and higher low. From this zone, what do you see here with this massive rejection on the 5 minutes? This market had a huge takeoff. Now because this is an overextended area, and because from the higher time frame we know that this market is likely to be trending, this is where the high probability bigger trade comes. And as you can see, this is the trade also you have opened in our forex trading wizard academy, and you can see from that zone there has been massive movement to the upside without any hesitation. As you can see, it is easily achievable 3 times, 5 times. Once you know this secret, you know exactly how the market moves. Now if you want to learn more this kind of secret and also trade with us in live environment, and also learn the strategy that I'm trading, that everyone is trading in our academy, also you can join us. There is a link in the description area, and also you can see the website address on the screen. Visit the website, click join now button, and then be part of this trading community for the rest of your life. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next video.